excellence of Hajj. The Holy Quran states in Surah Baqarah, verse 196, وَأَتِمُّ الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ. Fulfill Hajj and Umrah for Allah Azza wa Jal. The beloved and blessed Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has stated, the one who performs Hajj, avoiding indecent talks and sinful acts, will return from Hajj as free from all sins as he was on the day his mother gave birth to him. Subhanallah. The Prophet of mankind, the peace of our heart and mind, the most generous and kind, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has stated, all sins committed in between the performance of one Umrah and the other are expiated, and the reward of Hajj Mabrur is nothing but paradise. Subhanallah Azza wa Jal. Sayyiduna Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala reports that the Holy Prophet Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam has stated, Hajj and Umrah remove poverty and sins as the blacksmith's furnace remove all impurities from iron, gold and silver. The reward for Hajj Mabrur is paradise. Subhanallah. My dear Islamic brothers and viewers of Madani channel, Sayyiduna Abdullah ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma reports that the last Prophet of Allah Azza wa Jal has stated, he who goes on foot to perform Hajj from Makkah and then returns to Makkah on foot, 700 virtues equal to the virtues of Haram will be written for him for his each step. When he Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was asked about the worth of the virtues of Haram, he Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam replied, every virtue is equivalent to 100,000 virtues. Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal, as per computation, one will be rewarded 70 million virtues for every step. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. My dear Islamic brothers and viewers of Madani channel, giving encouragement to go on foot to perform Hajj rites, Sayyidi Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Rada Khan Rahmatur Rahman has stated in his book Anwarul Bashara, if possible one should go to Mina, Arafat, etc. from Makkatul Mukarramah on foot, as 70 million virtues will be written for his every step till his return to Makkatul Mukarramah. This adds up to approximately 78 trillion and 40 billion virtues. Without doubt, Allah Azza wa Jal has showered innumerable blessings upon this ummah for the sake of his beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Shaykh Tariqat Amir al-Sunnat states that Sayyidina Imam Ahmad Rada Khan Rahmatur Rahman has made this estimation on the basis of the distance of the old longer route, since tunnels have now been constructed in the mountains leading from Makkatul Mukarramah to Mina, shortening the route and facilitating the travel for pedestrians. The number of virtues will also reduce accordingly. Wallahu wa rasuluhu alam. Another beautiful hadith pak about the blessings of Hajj. Sayyidina Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala reports that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has stated, Haji is forgiven, and the one for whom Haji asked forgiveness is also forgiven. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Sayyidina Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala reports that the beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has stated, he who departed with the intention of performing Hajj and died on the way, the reward of Hajj will be written perpetually for him until the day of judgment. Continue the reward written for him until the day of judgment. He who departed to perform Umrah and died on the way, the reward of Umrah will be written continually for him until the day of judgment. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, how blessed this journey are. Subhanallah. Dear brothers, viewers of Madani channel, please be careful that there are so many virtues of Hajj, but if anybody able to do Hajj but he don't did, then how dangerous it is. The noble Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has warned the person who has the means of performing Hajj and who has no apparent obstacles, nor an oppressive ruler, nor any disease that prevents him, even then he dies without performing Hajj, he may die as a Jew or as a Christian. So my dear Islamic brothers and viewers of Madani channel, do your Hajj as soon as possible if you have fard obligatory on you. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.